Wild animals. Wild animals are the one who live in jungle, forest and the nature. They hunt for their own food and water, such as lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, deer, zebra, bear, rhinoceros, fox, monkey, panda, wolf, hippopotamus. Now we will see farm animals. Farm animals are the one who are raised on a farm for a purpose. Could be for the meat, the milk, the hair, for security or something else, such as cow, sheep, goat, pig, horse, donkey, hen, dog, cat, and dog and rabbit.